Did you know the average child spends nearly 1,400 hours a year staring at screens? That's more time than most adults spend at work. The battle over screen time is a struggle nearly every parent knows too well, but what if I told you there's a way to turn that battle into an opportunity? Welcome to today's video, where we're diving deep into the fascinating world of DIY busy books. These aren't just your average activity books. Busy books are the ultimate blend of creativity, education, and fun, perfect for kids of all ages. And here's the kicker: they're completely customizable to your child's specific interests. So, whether you're trying to help your little one master letters and numbers, explore STEM concepts, or even practice mindfulness, a busy book could be your new secret weapon. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a busy book that not only entertains but also educates and strengthens the bond between you and your child. Plus, I'll share a sneak peek of my busy book activity book for kids, packed with over 50 ready-to-use activities that make parenting easier than ever. What are busy books? First things first, let's talk about what busy books actually are. Think of them as interactive, hands-on activity books that help children develop essential skills in a fun and engaging way. They're filled with puzzles, mazes, matching games, and even sensory activities that can keep kids entertained for hours. But what makes them unique is their flexibility. You can create a busy book that's tailored to your child's age, learning level, and even hobbies. Got a toddler who loves animals? Fill it with matching games featuring farm animals? Have a preschooler fascinated by outer space? Add rocket ship mazes and planet-themed puzzles. The possibilities are endless. Why busy books are the ultimate parenting hack. Now here's where things get interesting. Busy books do more than just keep your kids busy, pun intended. They provide a wide range of benefits. 1. Screen-free entertainment. Say goodbye to the constant battle over screen time. 2. Skill building. From fine motor skills to critical thinking, busy books cover it all. 3. Customizable fun. Each page can be designed to match your child's unique interests, making it far more engaging than store-bought toys. 4. Portable. Perfect for road trips, waiting rooms, or quiet time at home. Plus, if you're a creative parent or educator, busy books can even double as a side hustle. You can design and sell customized busy books online, tapping into a growing market of parents looking for screen-free solutions for their kids. How to make your own busy book. Let's get practical. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own busy book. 1. Choose a theme. Start with what your child loves. Is it dinosaurs, princesses, or vehicles? Themed busy books capture attention better and keep your child coming back for more. 2. Pick activities. Mix and match from a variety of options like matching games, tracing, mazes, and sensory pages. Remember to include a mix of learning and fun. 3. Select materials. Invest in durable materials like laminated pages and Velcro to make the book reusable and long-lasting. 4. Design the layout. Use templates or create your own designs. If you're short on time, you can even check out my busy book activity book for kids, which comes pre-designed and ready to print. 5. Assembly. Put it all together with a binder or spiral binding. Add pockets or pouches for any small pieces to keep everything organized. Tips for success. Involve your child in the process. Let them pick colors or help design some pages. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to create an entire book at once. Add new pages as your child masters the old ones. Keep it age appropriate. Activities that are too easy or too hard won't hold their interest for long. Advanced ideas. Taking busy books to the next level. For those looking to make busy books even more special, consider these ideas. Incorporate STEM learning. Add coding games, simple science experiments, or math puzzles. Mindfulness pages. Teach your child to breathe and focus with activities like coloring mandalas or gratitude journaling. Cultural themes. Introduce your child to different countries and cultures with themed activities that include flags, languages, and foods. Seasonal pages. Create holiday-specific activities for Christmas, Halloween, or summer vacations. Real-life success stories. I've heard from so many parents who've transformed their daily routines with busy books. One mom told me how her road trips used to be a nightmare of constant whining and screen time overload, but now her kids spend hours playing quietly with their busy books. Another parent shared how creating a book with sensory pages helped her child develop motor skills and overcome picky eating. My ready-to-use busy book? If you're ready to get started but don't have time to design from scratch, check out my busy book activity book for kids. It's packed with over 50 pages of educational and fun activities that are easy to print and assemble. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, this book is a lifesaver for keeping kids entertained and engaged. Final thoughts. Busy books aren't just a fun activity, they're a powerful tool for learning, bonding, and even making life easier for parents. Whether you create your own or start with my pre-designed busy book, you're taking an amazing step toward a more creative and connected parenting journey.